Good day once again and welcome back to my channel. Yet again I come with questions. What is nature? What is nature? Nature is anything that appears natural. Anything that appears natural without intervention of man. It has to appear natural without any intervention of man. Nature comes from the word natural. Natural come from two words. It comes from an Egyptian word nater, which means spirit or God, and the word al, Arabic word al, which means of, therefore making the word natural to mean of God or of spirit, that which occurs naturally without intervention or manipulation of man. There are things which appeared or appear natural. There are things which were created in this third density, because third density is made of two things. It's made of nature and is made of concepts. Nature are the things which were created by God. Concepts are the things which are created by man. Nature is the minerals, the elements, that is earth. It is the trees, it is the animals. It is man. Same things which God created. Even if you go back to our religious text, the things that God created. God did not create cars, did not create houses. God did not create clothes. God did not create sofa sets. God did not create schools. God did not create governments. God did not create religions. God did not create beliefs. God created man, earth, elements, minerals, animals, and plants, and all other things. All other things came forth from concepts of man. All other things came into this world through a concept of man, conception of man through man. What is to be natural? To be natural is to be of God. To be natural is not defining oneself through any concept. When you vacate the box of concepts, you've become natural. Vacating the box of concepts means it has to start from your name, because your own name is a concept. You are not your name. It is a concept. When you vacate all concepts starting from your name, you have become natural. When you become natural, you have become your true self. To be natural is to be in the pure state of being. The pure state of being, because you are not identifying with this or that. And when we say it is getting out of the box of concepts, it does not mean denial, because in this physical reality you can never deny anything. You cannot get attached to anything, you cannot deny anything. You cannot get attached to your name, you cannot deny your name. You cannot get attached to your physical things, you cannot deny the physical things. Not getting attached, not denying anything. Because immediately you get attached to something, you are automatically denying the opposite of that. Because this is a physical reality which is polarized. We are in a polarized universe where everything comes with its opposite. Anything you know here, it must be accompanied by its opposite. Everything is polarized. Everything has got two poles, negative and positive. Everything has got two poles, north and south. No matter how much you break something, how much into smaller bits you break something, every part remains polarized. Therefore, when you get attached to one thing, it means you are automatically denying the opposite of that. And when you are denying something out here, it means that you are even denying the opposite of that. If you are attached to wealth, you are denying poverty. When you are denying poverty, you are denying wealth. When you are attached to wealth, you are denying poverty. When you are denying poverty, you are denying wealth. Everything is a coin. When you get attached to one side of the coin, you are denying the opposite of that coin. When you are denying this face of the coin does not exist. Coin has two faces. Immediately you deny one face, the coin does not exist. If you deny poverty, wealth does not exist in your reality. If you are attached to wealth, you are automatically denying poverty. Therefore, even that wealth vacates you. Because if you automatically deny poverty, it means that the coin does not exist. State of naturality is a state of being. It's a godly state. You become one with God, because God is not this or that. God cannot be this or that, cannot be one thing and not another thing. Immediately God is identified as this, it means that is not that. Immediately God is identified as something, it automatically means he is not another thing. And naturality is the pure state of being of man. No one has to practice that. It is the pure state of being. It is who we are to be natural. We do not need even to practice it. We do not even need. We do not even need. Because many people are, when you tell them to get grounded to nature, to connect to nature, they think it's going to the forests. They think it's going to do grounding. It's going to the beach or the lakes or the rivers. It's not. Because man is part of nature. To be is connecting with nature. To be. When you vacate the box of concept, you are in the state of being, which is not getting grounded to nature, connecting to nature. Air is nature, man is nature. To be connects you with nature. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe.